Tripura Hasteo 11,000 Darlong community Tongo Hasteo Bohrokni community Buini Swlai Komphano Swrwngmungo Hunkhe Borok Swkangjak Sangrongsalo Kumargath Darchoi Amchaio Darlong community in state level Tharlak Kut Pandao Koksanani Thangwi Kokno Sakha Hasteni Mantri Okra Prof Manik
Chief Minister Chief Minister Chief Minister Tripura
Chaprenga eloi thochin ei gutpa eloi zon chinangkan konom jangsiala.
Our Chief Minister and our Chief Guest, Professor Dr. Manik, Honorable Chief Minister.
Sangrongsalo Darlong community state level Tharlak Kut 2026 Panda Sakha Kumargath ni Darchoi Amchaio Ashali Pandao Nare Okra Angi Manjakmungo Hasteni Mantri Okra Professor Dr. Manik Abani Aglono Pandao Manjakmungo Narwai Rokno Lamsak Shogani Sakha Abani Aglono Hasteni Mantri Okra Professor Dr. Manik Sakha Darlong community ne Abai Kaisha Tok Dero Koksanani Mani Bagai Khaka Hamia Farka Hanai Abani Aglo Pandao Koksanani Thangwi Debu Sakha Khorang Hasteni Mantri Okra Angoi Soto Thaino Berai Nainani Nango Abai Gunashali Pandao Koksanani Thangwi Hasteni Mantri Okra Sakha Tripura Hasteo 11,000 Darlong community Tongo Borok Swrwngmungo Fasing Tabok Belaikheno Swkangjak Khane Abai Henino Tebo Dalbedel Kokshaka Hasteni Mantri Okra Professor Dr. Manik
implementing budgetary works in tribal dominating areas. We have also this another project that is in the forest region element project. We have already borrowed about 1,700 crore. That is also for the development of the tribal peoples. The state government is making dedicated and continuous efforts for the overall socio-economic development of tribal communities, ensuring effective implementation of welfare schemes, honoring history and identity of the tribal community. As a mark of respect to the Maharaja, the Agartala airport has been renamed, already you know about it, as Maharaja Bir Vikram Kishore Airport. A full-length statue of Maharaja Bir Vikram Kishore has also been installed at the airport. At the heart of Agartala city at Kamanchomoni, a statue of Maharaja Bir Vikram Manikko Bahadur has been installed. The birth anniversary of Maharaja, 19th August, has been declared a government holiday. 12 tribal-dominated blocks in the state have been declared as aspirational blocks with special focus on education, connectivity and improvement of living standards. We gave about more money, alongside the budget, we give extra 10% allocation for development of those areas. The traditional tribal attire, Risha, then Pachra, then our pineapples have received national international GI tag recognition. Between 2019 and 24, seven members of tribal communities have been honored with the Padma Shri award on the recommendation by the state government. You must be knowing that Thanga Darlong also have received out of them. The social pension for tribal community heads have been increased from 2,000 to 5,000 without any capping. Several hills and places have been officially renamed to reflect traditional tribal names, restoring historical identity. On 16th January 2020, the long-pending issue of Bruriang refugees lasting 23 years was resolved through a historic agreement signed between the Government of India, Government of Tripura and Government of Mizoram and Bru representatives. On 4th September 2024, in the presence of our Honorable Union Home Minister Sri Amit Shah, a tripartite agreement was signed in New Delhi. On 24 September 2024, members of the NLFT and ATTF formally surrendered with arms. To ensure effective implementation of tribal welfare works, dedicated officers have been assigned at both district and subdivisional levels. In every district, TCS ranked district tribal welfare officer. In every subdivision, a subdivisional tribal welfare officer have been appointed to oversee projects meant exclusively for tribal communities. 84 Bonodhan Bikash Kendras have been established across the state collection and value addition of forest produces such as broom, grass, amla, tamarind and medicinal plants are promoted. Under the World Bank, this assisted Tripura Rural Economic Growth and Service Delivery Project that is TRESP. About 1,400 crore is being invested for improving education, connectivity and livelihoods in tribal blocks. Under special livelihood package, 1,316 families have received income generation support and 100 market sheds have been constructed. Under the Chief Minister's Tribal Development Scheme, 9,326 beneficiaries have received 25,000 each, amounting to a total expenditure of over 23 crores. Under the Chief Minister's Tribal Women Entrepreneurship Development Programs, around 20,000 tribal women artisans have been covered through free yarn distribution. Each artisan received 1.25 kg of yarn free of cost, valued at approximately rupees 887 per kg.
Ashoni Pandao Hasteni Mantri Okra Professor Dr. Manik Karibu Manjakha Mantri Tingkora Emile Bokbandas no Kobo Theko Banadong Rok. Bureau Report Chini Khorang.
আগরতলা শহর প্রস্তুত তো সবচেয়ে বড় শপিং সেলিব্রেশনের জন্য এসে গেছে 11th ইন্টারন্যাশনাল ইউনিভার্সাল এক্সপো, এক অনন্য আন্তর্জাতিক আয়োজন। চিলড্রেন্স পার্ক আগরতলায় 9th জানুয়ারি থেকে 26th জানুয়ারি 2026 পর্যন্ত। দুবাই, আফগানিস্তান, টার্কি, থাইল্যান্ড সহ বিভিন্ন দেশ থেকে এসেছেন ফরেন পার্টিসিপেন্টস। নিয়ে এসেছে আন্তর্জাতিক পণ্য, স্বাদ আর সংস্কৃতির অনন্য অভিজ্ঞতা। শপিং, ফুড, এন্টারটেইনমেন্ট সবকিছু এক জায়গায়। এটা শুধু একটি এক্সপো নয়, এটাই আগরতলার সবচেয়ে বড় শপিং ফেস্টিভ্যাল।